Hello, once again myself Ashish Jain in front of you, chapter 2 Principles of Management, class 12. In lecture 9 we are studying. In lecture 8 we have studied about the nature of principles of management. Today we are going to study the significance of principles of management. It is also given in your NCERT book of page number 38. These are, but we will study in a very short and sweet notes that will directly go inside your mind and you will write in your examination. So the first point, it is the providing managers with useful insights to reality. Management principles act as a guideline for managers. These principles improve the knowledge, ability and understand managers under various managerial situations. The effect of these principles help the managers to learn from the mistakes. These principles guide managers to take right decision at right time. Next one is optimize use of resources. The management principle insists of planned activity and systematic organization of man and material in the organization. Principles are designed to get maximum benefit from the human efforts and other resources. For example, scientific principles suggest to cut down the wasteful movement and setting up of standard time to complete tasks by saving time, energy and efforts. The big example which I can show, that in the oil mill, the oil is being produced, but with them the khali is also being left. Today it's been sold in a higher price. It is the optimized use of resources. Next one is scientific decision. Managers have to take a number of decisions every day, so they need to assess the resources of organization very carefully. The management principle enable the managers to approach various problems systematically and scientifically. Taylor said to conduct the time study to set up the standard time to perform the job rather than the leaving it at a time or will of managers. Fourth one, the changing environment requirements. So meeting a changing environment requirement, every businessman has to make change in the organization according to the change it taking place in the business environment. Management principles train the managers to implement the changes in right direction and right level in the organization. Next one, it is the fulfilling social responsibility. To increase aware of the public social business forces, management theories and management principles have also evolved in response to these demands. How to fulfill the social responsibilities, because if we are fulfilling the social responsibility, if give profit to the business only. Next one, it is the management training, education and research. The management principles stressed on scientific judgment and logical thinking. As a result, these principles act as a research and development in management studies. Principles of management are the core of management theories. These principles based on management training and research. Professional courses such as BBA, MBA also teach these principles a part of their curriculum. All the management institutions take aptitude tests and these tests are based on management principles only. So these are the 6 scientific principles of management which can be used by managers for achieving their task. Hope so you all understand. Thank you. Please like and subscribe